New bike day is always exciting. I remember the sleepless nights leading to the day when you actually get your new baby. You know, tossing and turning, imagining what you'd look like on your new bike. The rides you plan to go on, the pictorials you want to do with it. But there's an added thrill when you try to build your own bike. But that thrill actually becomes very challenging when you try to source parts during this pandemic. You know, the problem of supply and demand, sellers overpricing their stocks, hassle of going around different bike shops because of safety issues, and so on. It comes to a point where it starts to become a pain, and you ask yourself the question, is it still worth building from scratch? Again, so many questions come to mind.
So first off, the frame that I chose is the S-Works Tarmac SL6. So I like the color because it's what you call storm gray. So this is actually made of FAC 12R carbon. So that's the material, so it's really lightweight. It's the highest type of carbon that Specialized uses. Got a size 52, so that's quite perfect for my body type. And yeah, considering your choosing of your frame, also know if it's for disc brake or rim brake. So with this one, I got a rim brake because I really wanted to go for a lightweight frame, a lightweight bike that is. And of course, yeah, you also have your carbon fork, comes along with it. And again, speaking of lightweight, what I wanted to do also was, of course, have a lightweight wheel set. So, the interior, I got the Tubolito. So yeah, I really went all out with the carbon. Of course, the cockpit is also important. So with the cockpit, the parts I got were also all carbon. So started off with our enve stem. So I got a 90mm stem because this is what the size recommended by the bike fitter. And also an enve handlebar. Again, super light. Got a 42 cm1 drop bar. Yeah, of course, I like the brand enve because aside from it being a lightweight, it's also very comfortable. Okay, of course, like what I mentioned, I got the rim brake version. So you're gonna need, again, rim brakes. So this is what I got. Cane Creek rim brakes attached to our Shimano STIs. So I got the Ultegra STIs because I wanted to go full Ultegra for the group set. Crank arm, Ultegra as well, 165. As for the cogs, 11x30. Yeah, Ultegra derailleurs as well. This one would be a 52x36. So I also actually got an S-Works seat post. So that's what you have over here. Again, carbon. We're going for a really lightweight bike. You're also getting, again, the S-Works power saddle. Also carbon fiber. So yeah, we're really working with a lot of carbon fiber with building this bike. So for the tires, I wanted to go with the tan wall. So I got again, S-Works, the turbo cotton one. So of course, choosing wheel set, go for Roval, carbon fiber. So it's either aero or climbing. 64, CLX64 or CLX32. Let's go for the climbing one. Super lightweight.
When you finally decided on your parts and sourced them out, the exciting part comes, the build. watch in anticipation and excitement how it all comes together. Did you make the right decisions? Did you miss out on any parts? Are there things you want to upgrade already? How does it look? Will it look good on your social media feed? Of course, how much does it weigh? And most importantly, will it perform? When you finally see your vision come to life, you get to actually try and test it out. Ride it like you stole it. Display it like it's the best thing ever. Show it off to the world. And most importantly, enjoy the ride.